Hi, I'm Tom Knoll, president of CIMI Corporation. Unless you're in denial or brain dead or something like that, you've probably at this stage got to admit that Microsoft has got a problem with Windows 8. But it may be not the problem that everybody thinks it has, and maybe therefore it's not as bad as everyone thinks it is. There's a general view, particularly in the result of some surveys that came out recently, that says that the Metro interface is just not useful for people. It's not intuitive, it's not doing what people want, and because of that, the whole push on Metro for Microsoft, not only in Windows 8 but everywhere else, is kind of a failure. And I don't think that's the case. I'm not a big fan of Metro, and I don't use Windows 8 on a tablet, but I do use it on a laptop. The laptop doesn't have a touchscreen, but I don't find for the kind of applications that Metro was really designed to support, which was applications that transition a user quickly from a want to an answer without a lot of complicated processing, I don't think it's bad for that. In fact, I think it's better probably than the standard icon-oriented desktop interface that Windows 7 had and that Windows 8 still offers. I think the challenge Microsoft has here and the problem that they created for themselves isn't the usage, it's the users. Microsoft has targeted Windows 8 for the new generation, but the average user of Windows 8 is still the old generation. There's still somebody like me who 90% of the time is running an application that doesn't expose the Metro interface and for which the Metro interface isn't particularly useful because it doesn't transition the user from a quick question to a quick answer. It's doing something like word processing. So all Microsoft really has to do to fix this problem is to refocus itself on the truth, which is the thing that's important about whether or not Metro is valuable is the device it runs on. We should not be using Metro interface as the default on laptops and desktops and things like that, even if they do have a touchscreen, because the average user is still doing something else with it. Thank you. I'm Tom Knoll.